Good morning, Jawad, my dear friend. Uh, I'm holding a very best of my lines. The name of the line is White Line mixed with Inbreed Rifle. It's a 2020 year male, ring number HHPC 8915. So I'm giving this mail to you. The pedigree of this bird: father is a winner in multiple races in Federation, Mr. Palaniappan in Sirps, which has come 500 on day, 800 kilometers next day. Grandfather is a winner. Obviously, rifle pair has smashed every races for me till now. So this bird is a high quality bird, smooth feathers, very sharp wings, which I'm sure will do from short to long distance, from 200 to 1000 kilometers. Just have a look at the wings. He is very strong and very mentally tough lines. So this is my white line into rifle in breed line, which I'm giving it to you, Mr. Jawad.